Hi everyone, so this is cabin 5041. It's an outside deluxe cabin. So let me just show you what we have here. So we have a full-length mirror, literally as you come in through the door. We have just the sofa, and just next to that we have the wardrobe space. Let me open up and see what we've got in there. Ooh, excuse me, so we have the safe, hanging space, and some drawers. My bag's on the floor. So we have slightly longer cabin where the balcony would actually probably filter into the cabin on other grades. We have a fridge. The fridge is locked. I can't show you the fridge just yet, it's locked. Can I show you a hairdryer? Let me show you a hairdryer. There we go. Standard hairdryer in there. We are diamond, so we have a selection of nice chocolate, canapes, and I've got the fizz. Good sized television, me in the mirror. And we have our swim towels, slippers, and our robes. I'm just going to come around the side of the bed. So the bed's along the side wall, not underneath the porthole like you find on other ships, so we can all see out the window without having to climb all over the bed. And there we are, outside cabin, outside deluxe cabin, cabin number 5041. Perfect. Just for the British departures, there is a kettle and some milk, tea and coffee making facilities, glasses, and if you want an ice bucket, you've got that facility as well. Room service QR code, so you can book your pizzas or get room service delivered to your cabin.